कैसा है कदेवा
Itinerary.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure 90% people are going to mess the spelling up.
Yeah. How could I possibly be this close to him?
Popular opinion. I don't like Shah Rukh films.
What?
Wow, Priya, utha do yahan pe.
This part is getting edited, but yes.
Hello and welcome to Game Night, an interesting game show where two celebrity guests come in front of a live audience where they talk about their journeys, their success, and everything in between.
Nobody's interested. Nobody cares.
And as they do that, quiz questions come up on the screen and the audience needs to select the correct answer. At the end of the show, the top 3 audience members with the most points will win cash prizes. There's multiple rounds, loads of prizes, and a lot of laughter. So let's begin Game Night with Anil Lobo.
So please make some noise for Parikshit and Connor. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming, guys.
Thank you.
Parikshit and Connor, once again, make a huge round of applause for them.
I like that table already.
Okay.
Inka, I can see the entire jug already. Well done, guys.
Check.
Well done.
Awesome.
What are the prizes? We want to know what are the prizes.
Yeah, so about the prizes, the main prize is the winner of the entire show. From you all, obviously, there'll be top 3. The third place winner will get 500 dirhams. It's cash, so okay, and a voucher or something. We'll tell you what voucher. He's surely getting fired. Wrong time. Second prize will get 1,000 dirhams. Okay. And the first prize will get 2,000 dirhams. Crazy, right? Yeah, okay.
We were discussing backstage. We want to take this game a bit up a notch and we want to contribute 1,000 dirhams from our side.
What?
We'll have a fourth winner. We'll give 1,000 dirhams Milake to that fourth winner. So who wants to win that 1,000 dirhams? Make some noise.
Whoa, so the prize money is going
Sure,
to
done.
Kya baat hai? Okay. So,
But this is the person who's going to come fourth.
Yeah. Fourth.
difficult, but okay, let's see. We'll figure that out. Because Kahoot only gives 3 winners. So,
We'll find out what's the score of the fourth person.
Let's
We'll
see.
see. Or whoever makes the most amount of noise, who's the most interesting character here, walks away with 1,000 dirhams. Ready?
yeah.
Perfect. Let's do this.
Okay. So let's begin the first round. The first round is called the podcast. Okay. We are now going to discuss certain incidents on their lives. Let's give you an example, okay?
Oh my god.
Yeah. So these are
Where
apparently
did you get these pictures from, bro?
Oh my god.
internet.
This
I
is
hope you know
why,
you-
Is this why I got a friendship request from one of your team members
Yeah, obviously.
recently?
Then we can use these photos, right? Kids' photos and all our issues.
Who's this?
Who's that? Anybody can guess that lady over there? Like, obviously not Parikshit. Go on in, right? Like, I mean, I think that's the last time you hold a badminton racket or something, right?
That was the only time I held it.
Right, and this small little baby, I think is Conan.
Yes.
Awesome. You know this guy, right? Manifesting from 1980s with a mic and all that. Like, wow. You remember this photograph, Parik?
I do actually. I was actually hosting something here.
What the heck?
Not a joke. My dad used to have a company before he passed away. So we had this whole thing. जहाँ पे ना मुझे ही English आती थी. I come from a very small town called Jodhpur. People can't speak Hindi there. Everybody used to speak in their regional language. So I used to go to a decent school and I used to only know like broken English, what they teach you in school. So I was the only guy, and we used to have people from Germany visiting. Anybody know what Bosch Group is? What Bosch is? Right. So at that time we had a agency from Germany for Bosch, and that was the entire agency in Rajasthan. When they used to visit, I used to host these gatherings.
Okay, so let's play the first round, okay? Just to give you context. Guys, can you tell me your birth years, yeah? Conan, what's your birth year?
96.
96. 1996. Anybody from 1996? Anyone over here? Make some noise, yeah? Acha, aap bhi, you also. Husband, okay. Pari, what's your birth year?
88. Anyone here from 88? Well
88.
done. Well done. It's too late for you already. Go home.
Awesome, no problem, yeah. Come, please come. I need people in the audience also, okay? Yeah, please come. Okay, so for the first question would be something like this. Let's see what's the question. If you are born between 1988 to 1996, which generation do you belong? Gen Z, Millennial, Gen X, or Gen Alpha? Sorry, I know there'll be an issue a little bit.
You'll offend a lot of people here.
What do you think is the answer, by the way?
It's millennial, no? Am I supposed to give the right answer?
I think it's
Alpha.
alpha.
Can't be alpha. Alpha
Go
is
ahead,
now.
guys. Press the button first.
Alpha is after Gen Z. It's general knowledge.
Okay. 49 people.
That's
yes.
right.
It's trying to be smart.
The answer is millennial for all who didn't know. 49 people have answered correctly. So huge round of applause. Very good. You all know. I'm quite sure that the people who answered the other options are from millennials actually, because usually millennials don't know we are millennials actually. What is this?
Or boomers, bro.
Yeah.
Or boomers.
Yeah, God knows what is all this. Okay, so you got it right. Very simple. General knowledge questions about their lives. Okay. Okay. So the question was, how was your college life? Interestingly, I was thinking that it will be bullying. Yeah, मतलब ऐसा story होना चाहिए. Bullying, bullied. Someone I bullied. No. Both of them answered. Filled with success. You see, I've written there, head boy, head girl, winner of a competition, success. So I want to know what exactly. So let's hear from them. Conan, would you start?
The first thing I asked him is, why is there no option for popular and good for nothing else? Because that's the reality. तो उसने बोला कि वो तो सक्सेस ही है तो उसको टिक कर दो. So that's why I chose that.
That nothing else was good for nothing else was a teacher's pet. Yeah, that was, you don't know, but it is.
He also hated me.
अच्छा वैसा है क्या? Okay, no problem यार. Pari, what's your story?
Bro, I never went to a college. I just went to my school. And it was the only like decent school in my town. It was called Bhopatram Birla Public School. So it was a school where, okay, don't judge me guys. I'm going to tell you my background. Okay, where teachers used to beat us. And then when we used to see them in the market, we used to beat them.
Oh, what? What?
So I grew up like that. So that's where we can't be bullied for sure. We were not bullies because we never knew the concept. Anybody here from a small town? And when I say small town, tier C cities. ये कौन सी city से हो आप? लखनऊ कहाँ से small town है इनको बताओ यार. Lucknow is not a small town.
They have an IPL team also, so they're not.
No, Lucknow. Anybody thinks Lucknow is a small town? No. When I say tier C cities, हमारे यहाँ पे Pizza Hut नहीं था. जब Pizza Hut आया, they had to shut down. You know why? Because when somebody used to order a pizza, there were areas they used to beat the delivery guy and eat the pizzas. So this is the level I'm talking about. Bro, he's in shock. Mumbai से ना?
हाँ,
yo.
हाँ. Bro, okay.
कौन? नहीं. अच्छा 10 साल पहले आया ना?
हाँ ठीक है भाई बाद में झगड़ा कर लो भाई छोड़ो ना यार आगे बढ़ते हैं यार nobody is interested nobody cares let's go ahead okay so interestingly these guys when we were doing our research we realized both of them are like travel buffs right let's see how many countries they've traveled so can you just share with us how many countries you have traveled from all these countries
I've done about 110 countries. That is
110?
after coming to Dubai, after 2010. I never had a passport before coming to Dubai.
हैं
110.
My passport was made because I got a job in Dubai.
oh okay अच्छा हाँ वो उधर it doesn't become ना in the
Jodhpur में नहीं है भाई.
office is only not there
I actually had to go to Jaipur to make my passport. That's what I'm talking about, not Lucknow.
oh yeah got it okay yeah Conan how many countries
So I traveled to total 19 countries, but 14 countries were done only in the last 2 years after I quit my job. So yeah.
14 countries in 1 year
Yes.
After she quit her job. We have 2 more bills right now. Somebody's texting their boss for sure right now. Hata yaar.
So this question is based on countries. Let's see what the question is. Simple, general knowledge. Hopefully you know the answers. How many countries are there in the world? 173, 187, 192 or 195? Pari, how many do you think are there?
Bro, it keeps changing. Fun
Yeah.
fact.
Hey, don't talk about wars and all of
No.
this. Okay.
Yeah.
Even Google doesn't have the right answer.
Really? 128? 195, sorry, 195.
I think it is 192. I think it's 192, but it keeps changing.
Hey, don't talk controversy and all that, okay?
No, it does keep changing.
Don't talk about all that.
It has changed.
It
195, is it? 195. I think it's, if you Google their separate answers, I've done this is I'm bold
Yeah?
to go.
I changed
Google-
my bio.
Google करके किया है. Nice. 195 है, sure. Done है फिर.
well, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. The answer है. We can't do anything.
195
195 is the right answer.
Ooh,
Actually.
nice.
Yeah.
I need to change my
Yeah.
bio again. I keep putting
Yeah.
92.
How many years do you think you are going to reach that number? 192 in your case.
192 in about 4 years from now. Done. Before I turn 40.
What city is giving that many holidays? What?
Before I turn 40, I have to do Antarctica and everything.
Wow. Okay. What do you think?
We'll
Conan?
watch this video then. Done.
Damn. How many years are you going to take on?
Tricky question. I really don't know yet.
ठीक है. We'll see your videos and we'll come to. No
I
problem.
don't know
Great.
yet.
Yes. Anybody questions? Pop up.
I
Yeah.
think
Oh.
That's a good question. I've not visited the entire India. I've done India when I was there till my 20s. And then I want to be like, I don't know what's happening. Right? किसी के पास यहाँ पे passport नहीं है. You never know when you have to go back. I've got my entire life to explore India. I'll do when I can. The
Anybody
world.
who has explored entire India? No, I don't think so.
No, India
Nobody.
is huge. Man.
Yeah,
It's different.
I just thought like whoever asked might have said, I explored. I was like, okay, no problem, fine. Okay, so let's talk about the next topic that we're going to have on our screens, and here it goes. Okay, so one interesting part is that they live in Dubai, and obviously they've made their big lives in Dubai. You see Parikshit obviously on radio. You have Conan with all her prizes that she's won over the years. I want
And
to
hearts.
know about and hearts as well. I want to know your journey in Dubai. What has Dubai actually done for you? So, Pari, if you can start.
So again, I was doing radio in India. I don't know how many people are here or Bollywood music lovers or listen to a Bollywood radio station. But if you do, thank you. So I've been doing India mein radio. Then I got a call from Dubai. I made a record. It did well in India. And then there was a radio station that was launching called Suno. It was 102.4 at that time. Right? So I joined that. I launched that radio station in Dubai, right?
Yeah.
At that time. And then the journey started. I worked there for 3 years and I kept like looking for more growth. And today I joined City where I work now in 2015.
Did you get golden visa? Matlab,
At City, I did.
oh, okay.
I did.
Wow.
I did get golden visa because we were the only people broadcasting live during the pandemic. And do you remember Dera lockdown when nobody was allowed to go in and out in the pandemic? I was reporting from Dera.
Most of us came after the pandemic.
Oh, really?
Yeah, how many of you have come after pandemic to Dubai?
How many people are just 5 years old in Dubai? Raise your hands.
How many Dubai kids in the house? Make some noise.
Woohoo! Dubai kids.
Don't raise your hand, Dubai kids. Make some noise. Listen. See the people who've come from India. How many of you all have come to Dubai after COVID? Make some noise. Cool, yeah. Okay, yeah, Conan, over to you, yaar. How has life changed in Dubai?
So life in Dubai, honestly, it has been great because I did my graduation and my studies, everything here, and just started working into the marketing field. I was doing content creation, and then one day I just woke up and decided to quit my job and get into this content creation full time. And ever since, life has been great.
Yeah, she's
It
been on
has-
TV. She's been on Love in
and
Dubai. I think you all follow them.
It's been great. I've got some incredible opportunities, and yeah, I think
Awesome,
it's,
yaar.
it's
Awesome.
nice.
So this was their lives about Dubai. The next question that's going to come up on your screen is about Dubai. The UAE was once a British colony. True or false?
Do you
What
know
do you
this,
think?
Pari?
Pari,
Do you know this?
Any British people here?
No, I don't think.
No,
Please get out.
No, it's okay, yaar. Nahi, it's not there.
Please.
What do you
know
think,
the
Pari?
answer?
Do you know the answer?
I feel it's true.
Conan, what do you think?
I don't think so.
The answer is it's true.
Whoa!
For all those people who are telling India and all that,
They know very well, yeah?
UAE was a British colony, and I mean the growth that they've seen is incredible now. Suddenly,
Most of their also, we're all like, I'm going to say this, brown people, I hate it when they get paid more for the same job. Yes or no?
Oh my
Yes.
God.
Absolutely. Yes. Now beer, utha do yahan pe.
this part is getting edited, but yes, let's go. This is not coming out. Yes, okay, great guys. So this is something news for everyone, I think, at least for 45 people, not 22. Okay, so let's see what we're going to talk about next. Let's see what's next on the agenda today. Next up, we have. Oh yeah, we are now going to talk about Conan. Okay. So Conan has a very interesting connection with Georgia. I'm quite sure most of you have gone to Georgia. Anybody who's not gone to Georgia over here, make some noise? Not gone. Even me. Also not gone. They apparently say that's the other Dubai of Georgia, something they say.
It's the 8th Emirate.
Yeah, something like that they say, yeah. So apparently Conan has a very interesting connection. Conan, would you
Yeah.
like to tell me something about us? What about that?
So, Georgia is really a very special country for me because it was my first ever work trip. It was my first ever international trip. It was my first ever solo trip.
And
It
her
was-
first ever marriage also.
Yeah, first
sorry.
and only.
Galti.
And it was also the first time I ever saw snow. So it was first of many. And it's the place I got married to
Yeah.
my husband there, Viraj.
Oh, make some noise, guys.
Wow, my brother. It's like full flying kisses going on. Well done, brother.
Awesome. Have you all seen Georgia wedding videos? Anybody?
Yes.
You all have seen, your friends have seen others? Please watch it. It's beautiful. If you've not, go to her page. Please check it out. It's crazy.
Thank you.
The question over here is, I mean, I've been on treks and it's very difficult. I want to know how did you all pull this off with that lehenga and all that thing? Tell me
trust
something about that.
me, when you're a bride and you are literally standing there with your lehenga, the weather, the people, nothing matters in that moment of time.
Yeah.
If you see my video, there's not a single moment I'm even shaking or shivering because I couldn't even imagine being in the snow at that point.
That's true.
So-
Nothing matters, even the budget.
It was-
Budget. Baad mein budget. Because Georgia is very close to heart, the next question is about Georgia. Okay, very simple. If you've been to Georgia, have not been to Georgia, you might know this answer. Next question on your screen, guys. Let's go. What is the capital city of Georgia?
Come on, guys.
Just Tbilisi. Put Tbilisi. Put Tbilisi. Come on.
Guys,
Put Tbilisi. I'm going to help them. Tbilisi. Put the wrong answer.
red, blue, yellow. Oh, 59.
Yay!
It is the wrong answer, no? Or Tbilisi is the right
It's
answer.
the right answer, right
Right
answer.
answer.
Does this place exist? Rustavi?
Yeah, these places also exist in Georgia. If you've not been, please be there as well. Yeah. Next topic that we want to talk about. So, few years back or last year, she
2
went
years.
for a trek, and over there some big calamity came, and galti se her net got off, and some publication said ye to khatam. Yeah, literally no jokes, right? After 4-5 days.
Only an influencer can take this photo with this calamity, bro.
Yeah,
100. Oh my God, look at me.
yeah, yeah.
Good one.
So, Conan, would you like to tell us something about that? Yeah.
So it was actually a bike trip in Ladakh. Viraj and I, we went for that. It was 10 days, and we were supposed to go. We were supposed to end our trip in Manali, but we had to stop midway because of the last two pictures.
Yeah. and
Not-
websites told she's khatam.
So
Yeah.
my phone went off, but during that time we were actually out. We were exploring Ladakh. We're having fun, having momos, and 2 days later I actually got the network connection, and I woke up to some 200 messages from my mom, my dad, my relatives, and the internet is, it's just blown up with this information. And then I had to put a story saying that, okay, I was just stranded because I didn't have internet, but that was about it actually.
Cool. Interestingly, even Pari had a similar experience few days back, and we have that on screen. Can we have that?
Also felt tremors. We're far away from Bangkok. Thankfully, we're all safe. Thank you for all your messages, and of course, thoughts and prayers to all the people and families affected in these two places.
I'm quite sure you didn't understand anything.
Nothing. मुझे यहाँ ठहर के
Spoke in Thailand. Which language is there?
No, I was actually talking in English only. Tera technical issue aa raha hai.
Okay, sorry, yaar, sorry.
So basically, we were in Thailand. I was far away from Bangkok, where the epicenter, not the epicenter, but the tremors were felt. And I got messages saying, "Are you okay? What's happening?" We heard the news that there's a huge earthquake. We were in Koh Yao Yai. If you're going to Thailand, you should check that place out. It's about 40 minutes ferry from Phuket. It's very, very cool. No people. If you like people with no people, that's the place you should go.
Yeah, before he tells much about it, let's have a question about it. So next question is about this earthquake. It's happened quite a week back. The question is, a 7.7 magnitude earthquake occurred in March 28th, a few weeks back. The sound waves reached many countries. What was the origin
Parikshit has already
the earthquake.
given the answer.
The answer it now. Who cares?
He gave it already.
You have to win. Go ahead. अरे कर ले. I know you can know the answer. Either type it. No use of screaming it. Yeah. Go ahead. You might know the answer. Let's go. Answer is Myanmar, guys. Crazy.
Are we celebrating this?
Yeah. Why are we celebrating it?
Like, what?
Just to let you all know, this was a massive earthquake because the sound waves reached Ireland. It was that massive. And that's how big the whole earthquake was. Yeah, let's talk about the next thing. Come on. Let's go.
Guys, it really stopped me.
Your average influencer telling you what to eat. Just joking, just joking. Wow. High in protein. Would you try it? Absolutely, for content. If you were a content creator, you would.
In my defense, it tastes like Lay's salted chips.
Chips.
Yeah,
Okay,
Lay's.
awesome.
Very
awesome.
nice.
Can you tell us something about it? Why would you do this? Don't you know noon
So
below
actually,
15 minutes?
this is a very cool spot in Dubai, and I'm not promoting it, but I'm just, it's the Bear Grylls camp. It's really nice, it's pet friendly, and you've got these nice trucks that you can go and stay. And they have this experience of how to ignite a fire and what to eat if you are stuck in middle of the mountains.
Survival skills, basically.
Survival skills,
Okay.
yeah. So this was one of those, but it was
Okay.
fun.
So this was by Bear Grylls or something,
Yeah,
right?
the Bear
Okay.
Grylls.
So guys, the next question based on this incident in life. What survival TV show made Bear Grylls famous worldwide? A. The Island, Survivor, Men vs. Wild or Man vs. Wild? Men lag raha hai, men. Who run the world? Controversial. Man was... I made this question for these 11 people. Smart. 11 people got fooled. Awesome. Answer is Man vs. Wild for all those who just answer I knew and all that. Okay. Next thing, let's discuss what's coming up on screen. Oh yeah. Pari, did you know this is happening?
Yeah,
Did you know
totally done.
what's there in the food menu? What's there in the food menu? Is the
Momos, Nepali momos.
Awesome.
Hopefully.
So, Conan is going to have a huge trek happening when?
May
Can you
17th.
tell us something about this? What's happening?
So, this was something that I've been really thinking of, dreaming of, manifesting to do it. And I thought that I really wanted to go on this, but I also thought that this should be an opportunity for anyone here in Dubai.
Have you ever done a trek before?
Yes, I have. I've been to Kedarkanta.
But that oxygen level
नहीं,
trek.
वो तो वहाँ जाके पता चलेगा.
Has anyone here done a proper trek? When I say trek, which is 3,000 meters and above.
It is crazy.
Have you done it?
After 2000, now you feel like, why did I come to this place?
No, but-
this is crazy.
This is gonna be really, it's a 14-day trek, guys. I'll tell you personally, I'm not a very trekking person if you already follow me. But the whole point of this trek for me is that I want this experience, no matter how difficult it is, to be a reminder. It's more like a metaphor to life, you know, from the preparation to actually reaching at the base of something so magnificent. So that's my thought process, and hopefully I am able to do it.
Awesome,
I
yaar.
will.
I just hope you'll come back. Just letting
Otherwise,
you know.
you'll find out on that
We'll
publication.
Nobody likes a trek when they're on it, bro. Nobody likes it.
Yeah.
Really? Okay, so next question on this particular topic. What is the height of Mount Everest? What? Go ahead, guys, if you know. 7848, 8848, 9000 or 8500.
Somebody who's done it would always never forget even 1 meter, bro.
Not a single one. Wow, 56 people. Awesome.
Guys, all of these guys are laughing, but
It's
under,
okay.
you know.
No worries.
हो रहा है.
Okay. Next question or next topic that we have. Let's see what's up. One of the major incidents that I had asked Parishar, something that's very close to him. He gave me four. One of them was this, and the fourth one was not yet happened. And I don't know what, but kids or what, I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. Whether it'll be kids, whether what are goals in my life, I'll achieve them. I don't know.
Yeah, at number 3 was his house. Yeah, would you like to share something? Why is this such a big moment?
Man, it's my first house. And since I told you I've been earning since I was 12, not just me, by the way, it's my wife's here. We've actually, we share the same struggles. People in your 30s, you'll know what this means.
Making your own house, man.
Yeah.
That too in Dubai. Whoa.
in Dubai.
Huge round of applause, yaar. Huge thing. Right, that's great. I personally put this question just letting you know my part-time job or full-time job is also a real estate agent. Anybody of you all have a dream to buy a house? Remember me in your... Oh yeah. Wait a minute.
Question.
How many real estate agents are here?
Bro, why is every real estate agent a part-time influencer and a reel maker, bro?
Yaar,
I see more real estate agents making reels on my feed than selling houses.
it's a starter kit to Dubai. You come to Dubai, let's sell properties, guys. Okay, so next question is about properties in Dubai. Question is about golden visa. So if you buy property in Dubai, what should be the value of the property to get a golden visa? 1 million to 1.99, 2 million, 900K to 1 million, or 750 to 900K. What do you think is the value of the property that you would get a golden visa? Okay? Let's see. 2 million is the answer. I hope. Oh, great. 57 of you all know the answers. 57 people of you all are eyeing golden visas. 57 opportunities for me, hopefully. Okay, just remember, yeah. Apart from the joke, just remember the real estate thing is true, yeah. Just remember me. Okay, next up. Next thing on our screen.
Wow.
How many of you all are like sneakerheads here? Anybody? Yeah. Conan, you have like shoes like this? Like,
Not at all.
Is this some shoe store or something? What is this?
So I'll tell you, I'm still living that child who wanted to buy everything, right? The house is wife's choice. In that entire house, I wanted my own sneaker room. That's where I'm very proud of.
This is your house.
This is my house only. This is
have
my
a-
safe space.
You thought
Wow.
it's a store.
How many shoes?
I don't know. I generally don't know.
Average? Rough.
200, 150.
200.
Wow.
Anyone of you has the similar collection? Like
I've
anybody
not
more than
owned those
200?
many shoes in my life.
You? How many? 42.
That's good, man.
57. Anybody more than 57? 57 going 1. 59 for 200. He won, sorry. One from every country.
Yes, sir.
Any particular way you select your shoes? Do you have a style?
Initially, I was very into hype sneakers. So if you know, like Travis Scott's and all those, like Dunks I used to wear, Civilist, hype jute, where you have to fill a lottery to be able to buy the shoe.
Lottery.
You have to fill a raffle. If you win the raffle, you go and pay for the shoe.
Big ticket. No, sorry.
Yeah, kind of same thing.
They didn't sponsor the shoes.
So then I was like, okay, now I have enough these hype shoes, and then I got over it. Now I'm just into comfortable and like whatever I like.
Okay. Great, yeah. I didn't know. There's so much theory in shoes. But the next question is about shoes. You need to slide on your answers, okay? An average of the answers. Which was the first year when the Jordans released? Answer है ही नहीं. Guess मारना live. There is options from 1940 to 2005. Which year do you think that came?
Do you know this?
Only a true sneakerhead will win this round. Do you know, Pari?
I know it's in the 90s. I know 23 Jordan.
Some rough.
I know the first story of Jordan 80s, huh? 85, is it sure? 85. Google says 85. Well done. I know the first history of this shoe. It was not this one. It was a banned shoe.
Okay.
Because Chicago Bulls banned
The red,
colors.
yeah,
I know the history of Jordan, but I don't know the year.
Okay. Average. They'll need the average.
80s, 85 to 90.
80s. Could be. Let's see what's the answer. Let's see. Let's see. अरे नहीं भाई. अरे नहीं. नहीं आया नहीं देखते. 980. That's the actual answer. So even if you've come close to that, you've won a point. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is one of the most incredible part about them. They have like this connection with these crazy celebrities. You can see all these photos. Obviously, Pari has more. Conan is catching up, right? But one interesting part I wanted to put this is the next photo, and that is this one. Bro, this guy, he has met Shah Rukh Khan thrice. And if you see the photos,
Yeah.
every time he meets, the distance kind of reduces. What? Like, can you tell me something, man? What is this? How is it? How does it feel?
Okay, how many people are Shah Rukh fans here? Unpopular opinion. I don't like Shah Rukh films.
What?
Unpopular opinion. But I love him in his interviews. Have you ever seen his interviews? Even better, bro. I'll tell you a story about this event. It's both of times in Global Village. Very short story. I'll tell you, then we'll move to the next question. Do you want to listen to the story or we can move to the next question?
Obviously, I put it for that.
This is what I want to tell you, right? Imagine Shah Rukh Khan, right? He has a script for both these events in Global Village.
Really?
He has a script.
Okay.
He reads the script. He calls me in his green room and asks me, "Kya kar rahe? What are we doing next?" I tell him, bro, learns the script, exactly researches what we're supposed to do, lights his cigarette, I don't know if we're supposed to say that or not, and talks to you like he knows nothing. That man gets on stage, works and kills it, gets back that aura that he has, bro. I mean, no matter how big you are, he doesn't show you that, okay, I am Shah Rukh Khan when it comes to work. He just kills it on stage and he moves on. That's what Shah Rukh Khan is about, man. I feel
Wow, man.
Shah Rukh is Shah Rukh.
Bro, 3 times, bro. 3 times.
And each time
This
they've
is-
gotten closer. And
This is actually the times I have footage of.
Yeah, that's why we also have the footage of.
Yeah.
Careful of. Okay, so next question. 4 photos will come on the screen. 2 are of Parikshit with a celebrity and 2 is of Conan with a celebrity. You need to click on the photo which you think is fake. It's called pin the fake one.
Why can't we see?
अरे आएगा यार थोड़ा
अच्छा.
टाइम रुक जा. Conan, first 2, Pari, the next 2. What do you think?
Guys, this is very easy.
Yeah, it should be
Very
easy.
easy.
फोन पे देख लो यार, फोन पे दिख रहा है. Which one? First, this one. This one you all think is Madam Tussauds, eh?
Yeah.
Really?
One of them is.
Oh, so we know who is going to be fake. Okay.
I think this one is fake.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. How could I possibly be this close to him?
All those who have done that, great job, guys.
But actually, to think of it now, even that looks fake to me. Even though it's not.
But that's true, obviously, and that one is true.
Why people think this is fake though? Who said this is fake? Raise your hand.
Literally,
Who
you're
said this
sitting
is
in a
fake?
restaurant.
This is me just being fat,
Yeah.
bro.
Next round is called crowd work. This particular round, the question is completely on them. In this round, we're going to play a game called 2 Truths, 1 Lie. You might have played this game. There'll be 3 incidences of their lives which will come up on your screen. And you need to identify which of the 3 incidents is a lie. So first up, let's start with Parikshit. Okay.
Basically, these guys have to catch my lie, right?
You have to catch a lie.
Bring it on.
Okay? Let's see what are the 3 incidents in Parikshit's life. Number 1, he got deported. Option number 2 is first job was an RJ. His first job was an RJ. And number 3, holds a world record. Okay. Yeah. So now you can ask random questions. Your duty is to ask questions, figure out what is the lie. Based your questions, everybody will understand what the lie is, okay? We will be having 15 questions coming up. First question coming up. Let's go.
Where did you get deported from?
Argentina.
Argentina? Okay.
Question 1 is done. Question number 2.
How much was your first salary? How much did you earn?
6,000 rupees. No, wait.
Conviction ke saath.
6,000 rupees. I remember it because this is a question I was asked.
Okay. Question number 3.
What kind of world record you have?
What kind of what?
World record.
World record. I hold a world record for 195 hours live radio
What?
without sleeping.
Who was 195 hours?
I would totally believe that.
195 hours of live
I have a
radio.
question. So in that 195 hours, there were people listening
There were
constantly.
people listening or not, we were talking.
Acha, okay.
But there were also, it was a radio relay. So I did for some hours, then somebody else did. So it was broadcasting live for 195
But you
hours.
have a record. I mean,
Yeah.
that's the thing. Okay, question number 4.
Why did you get deported?
Oh.
Because my wife thought we don't need a visa for Argentina. We landed there. She's right there.
Oh, what?
We landed. So if you go to Brazil and you take a flight from Argentina, they don't check visas for you. They just let you board. And once we landed there, the immigration officer looked at the passport and said, "Where's your visa?" Well, my wife said, "No, you don't know. We don't need visa." She's like, "Madam, I'm the immigration officer."
Okay. Yeah, number 6. Question number 6.
Which year did you get this world record?
In 2009.
2009.
2009.
Wow. Okay. 6.
I'll ask one.
Go ahead.
What age was your first job?
First job was around 16.
Okay, 16. Okay. Let's go. Question
Which
number 7.
radio station were you at when you won this world record?
It was the world record was done in Jaipur in a radio station called Tadka.
Okay.
It was a Rajasthan Patrika radio station.
Question number 8. Let's go.
What was the name of your first company?
What was the name of my first company?
Yeah.
My first job was done in 94.3 My FM. I used to do the afternoon show.
Okay, next up, let's now put that question up on your screen. You need to guess the lie from the 3. Let's put it up on your screen. Let's go. 3 incidences, 2 truths, 1 lie. I'm standing center. Got deported, holds a world record, first job as an RJ. Let's see which one is it. Okay. Ruk jao, we'll speak it. Let's see. Pari will tell us his history and story about what is a lie, so it's okay. We can wait. Guys, come on. Oh! Damn! Damn!
Well done, guys.
Yeah.
Well done.
Wait. How did I guess it? Okay, good.
But why are you angry about it? You got it right.
Sorry. Okay.
Don't Bola. Yeah, this is the point.
So, Pari did get deported, that's true. Thanks to Toshita, wherever you are. He has a world record, guys. 195 hours. Which record? That is not asked.
Do you guys know what a Limca is?
Limca Books of World Records.
There used to be like Guinness Book of World Record, but Guinness used to charge a lot of money. They still charge a lot of money if you want to get their names in the books.
Yeah.
So Limca was cheaper, so we went with Limca Book of World Records.
Yeah, only Dubai can afford it, but okay. Your first job. What's the truth about the first job? What was your first job?
So my first job was, I was working in a call center in Jodhpur. I was very young. I was 11 years old.
11 years.
11 years old. My second job was I used to sell mobile phones. I'm sure people in their 30s won't, probably people above 30 would know. Reliance, how many people know Reliance in India? They launched a phone called the CDMA phone with the blue backlight.
Millennials in the house.
Do you remember that? Millennials, do you remember that? I used to sell those phones. How many of you know I used to go for 500 rupees? Perfect. So I used to sell those and I almost got murdered because of that.
Wait, what?
Murdered.
Murdered.
Because if you know you bought a phone for 500 rupees, there was a glitch and the bill used to come like 10,000 rupees, 8,000 rupees. People know that?
What?
I once went into almost like a butcher shop to sell the phone. They closed the door and they told me, phone to theek hai, ye jo bill aaya, ye kaun tera baap bharega.
What? And that was age 11.
No, that was around 12 and a half.
Okay.
They almost put a knife on my neck and said, who's going to pay the bill? I somehow survived. I ran from there.
Wow.
Yeah, we figured that out. You
I
survived.
think. Wow.
Next 2 truths and 1 lie is about Conan. Fell into the water with a passport. Wow, the worst nightmare. Flew to a city for 1 day and ended up in the police station the entire day. Okay. Holds a degree in media and marketing. Okay. Anybody has questions? Please put your hands up. Let's go.
When was the last time you renewed your passport?
2 years ago.
Oh, nice question.
2 years
okay.
ago.
2 years ago. Question number 2. Who wants to ask?
Flew into which city and ended up
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
In which year? In which year?
Last year.
Last year.
Yeah.
Can you tell
Sure.
us something about the police as well?
Are you
What
sure?
happened there?
Are you
Sorry?
sure? Last year.
Yeah, last year, April 2024.
Yeah, last year she traveled to 14 countries. Could be.
So one of them could
Yeah.
be.
Okay, I have a question, Conan.
Huh.
Can you tell me the incident, why you went in the police station and all? I want to know that.
So we were actually flying a drone in front of the presidential palace,
Okay.
and the
Crazy.
president was passing by.
Why would you do that?
I want to ask you a question. I fly drones.
Yeah.
What drone was it?
Oh.
DJI?
Fuck
I
me,
don't know. I
bro.
should ask my husband. He's the drone operator.
Yeah, I think, Viraj, can you answer that if you can? Yeah.
Which drone was it? This was Mini 3.
Mini 3,
Mini
is it?
3, okay.
Mini, Instagram version Pro. Fair enough.
Instagram version, very important.
Fair enough, the
Okay.
vertical one.
Next question, anybody? Yeah.
What are the 4 P's of marketing?
Product, price, people. What is the
I didn't do it.
price, people?
I did BCom.
The worst part,
Packaging.
if this is true and she messed up this answer, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Oh.
How many times?
She'll be doing one in 1 month, I think. Yeah.
I don't know exactly. I mean, I don't know if climbing a small hill is counted.
Average number. Average number.
Can I ask a question as well?
Harness-
Obviously, yeah.
Once. Harness wala was once, I think.
Yeah, Parikshit.
And I need you to answer as quickly as possible.
Okay.
When you fell in the water with the passport, what happened?
I drowned.
Was the passport wet or no?
It was in me, like it was inside my pocket.
So you had to change the passport?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody else has a question? Yeah, go ahead.
Holds a degree from which college?
Amity.
Amity University.
University, Dubai.
Let's go. Next question. Question number 8.
What country did you get this passport drowned? Because
Oman.
we don't know where did you get the duplicate one done. It
Oman.
can't be India.
Oman. Yeah.
Oman. Oh,
What
okay.
city?
Salala.
Were you drinking?
No.
Oh, okay.
So you said you renewed your passport 2 years back, right?
Yeah.
So last year you took the trip to Oman.
No, I've been to Oman 10 times.
Which year was this when you drowned along with your passport?
2023.
2020. You calculated.
2023.
She's trying her best, guys. Don't grill her so
I
much
could
also.
be fooling you.
Yeah, she's trying.
You guys are the ruthless audience, bro.
What was the fine at the police station?
We did not get any fine at the police station. We just had a lot of communication gaps. So they took the entire day to make us sit there. And we got immigration clearance.
Okay,
And
so
we
no
were-
fines.
no fines,
Okay.
no fines.
Okay, there at the corner. I'll come to you actually. Wait 1 minute. By the time my mic comes there, whole show will get over. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
So, what did you major and minor in for your media courses?
I did my major in marketing and my minor in HR.
A minor. I'll leave it. Okay, next. Anybody else? I think we are done with questions. Now it's time to guess the lie, guys. Guess the lie. 2 truths, 1 lie. Number 1 is fell into the water, has a degree in marketing, flew to a city in 1 day and was in the police station. What do you think is the lie? Crazy, right? I thought this was easy, but degree. अच्छा LinkedIn only checked. Okay.
भाई तू हजार तो पक्का लेके जाएगा. My God, that question was epic. Well done.
Wow.
Well done.
She did lose her passport, right?
Yes.
Crazy, man.
Yes.
And she did go to the
I
police
did.
station. Wow, that's 2 crazy things I don't want to try while traveling. And this is a lie. Obviously, this is a true photo, so she has done a degree.
I do have a
What's the
degree.
truth about that?
So my major was in HR and my minor is in marketing. I have never worked a single day in the HR field at
Oh.
all. So I am the prime example of holding the most valuable document, which is completely worthless.
Wow.
In my field of work.
Your
And-
salary slip. Sorry, what?
What?
Useless document is.
My degree. It is
okay.
so preciously kept, but it'll never come in handy for me.
Okay. We're now headed to the third part of the game. This round is called Face Off. So Pari and Conan are going to face off. There are going to be 3 rounds.
Done.
And they have to try to win the rounds. And whatever questions comes up, you have to just answer it on your phones. He is with Pari. That's your teammradhe.
Pradyumna, brother.
Your name, bro?
Yeah, Harsh.
Why everybody tall, man? I don't know. I have to do.
We feel more short.
Does everybody know ACP Pradyuman from CID?
Yeah.
That's my name.
What?
ACP Pradyuman.
Is that Daya? No, sorry. Daya from Nepal. Round number 1 is called jumbled words. There'll be a word coming up. The alphabets are all jumbled up. You need to guess what's the word. Let's go. First question, first word. Let's go. It's about travel. What is, it's going to come in the center, don't worry. What's this? Guess the word. See behind on your phone, nothing? Sorry, yaar. आ जाओ. I think stage के नीचे आना पड़ेगा. Guys.
Can I go?
No. Guys, come down.
Go ahead. Passport.
Passport. Do you think it's a passport? Let's see if the answer is passport. Is the right answer. Next question. Jumbled words. Do not come in this front, please. Okay. What is this? Go run, gun. Come on. What's right? Yeah, but the one goes to Parikshit. Next word. Word number 3. Let's go. Word is. Wow.
Tourist.
Oh my God. The mic is going to die. The word is tourist. Word number 4. Conan and Parikshit. Let's go. Relative travel.
Cute.
It's cruise.
Oh. It's cruise, guys. It's cruise.
There is no I in rescue.
Apparently, her Instagram handle has cruising cravings. Word number 5. Jumble word. Travel is hint. Hint is travel. What's that?
Hotel.
Oh. Number 6. The word is. What's that?
Airport.
Airport. Is it? Okay. Point to Conan. The next word on travel. Type your answers. Travel is hint. Question number 7. Last 3. Let's go.
Ticket.
Oh. Last question on your screen. Guess the jumbled word. Word is.
Huh? Makandar.
Hey, don't.
Makandar. Landmark.
Landmark. Landmark is the answer, I think. Or is it?
I don't trust you guys anymore.
It is. Next word. Let's go. Guys, be ready.
Itinerary.
Oh, yeah. Is it the right answer, by the way?
It's the mic.
It's actually the right answer.
Itinerary.
It's the mic.
How many people know? I'm sure 90% people are going to mess the spelling up.
100%.
Itinerary.
Let's go. Skip. Move ahead. Let's
We
see.
Desis call it itinerary. Itinerary.
Next word. Last word, guys. This one is going to be between Conan and Parikshit. Guys, off stage. They can't see.
अरे वो पहले ही जरा जाती है वो देखते देखते आ रही होती है वो
Okay. Conan, come down. Last word. What is this? What's the word? This guy literally said the answer. They didn't hear only. Wow. Okay.
Departure.
Oh, is that the right answer? Yes, it is. Depart. I think with this we end round number 1 of Face Off. Huge round of applause for them.
Thank you.
Guys, one of them actually is getting a gift voucher because it's Dubai. So our sponsor has to be a beautiful spa experience. Okay? So let's see who has won this round. Let's go. And the winner is Parikshit. Awesome. So this is Azura Spa Wellness and it is a voucher of 950 dirhams.
What?
And you can go with your friend with this.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a good day.
You gotta go with me, bro. See you.
Awesome. It's a wonderful spa, okay? Just don't get it wrong, yeah? Round number 2. This game is called the emoji game. Guess the emoji, type the word. The first emoji on your screen. What do you think is that? Rainbow! Is it the right answer? Okay. Rainbow Rainbow is the answer. Okay, word number 2 between Conan and Parikshit. Let's see what the emoji is. Or the emojis are this.
Hot dog.
Conan has to be a little fast, yeah? Is it hot dog? It is the right answer. Next emoji is. Hey, don't answer. It's a tie, it's a tie, it's a tie. It's a tie. Let's keep it a tie. Come on. What's the word? What's the emoji? And the emoji is. Suddenly silence came in the call.
Cowboy.
Oh, okay. Is the right answer. It's cowboy. The next emoji. Emoji number 5. And the emoji is. Oh, babre. They're going to kill each other in the next round. Chalo, tie. Chalo. It's okay, right? We can tie it out. Tie. This is a tie, guys. Okay. Next word between Parikshit and Conan. Let's go.
Conan, go, yaar.
Guess the emoji.
It's where you go. Ma?
Matcha?
No. That's not the answer. What do you think it is? It's a trick one.
Teacher.
Teacher. It's a teacher. It's a matcha teacher.
First of all, this is
It's
not.
a maths teacher.
This
actually.
is not a tea emoji.
It's a green tea.
This is not a tea.
It's a green tea. Tea is a
Sorry,
tea.
I won.
No, everything I can't keep it simple, like rainbow, hot dog. Now, come on, some trick should be there, right? Next word. Word number 7. We have last 3 emojis. Be fast, be quick. Let's go.
Hot chocolate.
Oh! Is that?
We were like, it's
chocolate.
okay. It's okay. Kar lo.
The answer is hot chocolate, guys. Next one. Let's see what's the next one. Next one, guys. What is up? What's this?
Pirate.
Arey, it was... Word is pirate. Word number 9.
Say rosemary.
Rose. Mary.
Rose.
That's a rose. only. See, it's literally a rose. Be ready. Last word, guys, for this round. The word is. It's not like an 18 plus word, huh? Just letting you know. Come on, guys. What is that? Come on. Very easy, yaar, it is. Very easy. Hey, you don't have to say it. Just type it, na, if you feel. Type it if you feel if this is the right answer. Come on, it's easy. 8 seconds. Subset, very tough one you gave. Type it, it's okay. They have to answer. You type it. If you know, get it. What do you think is the answer? The answer is waterfall. Okay, with this, we come to the round 2. Let's see who's the winner, who's going to win another 950 dirhams spa experience with a +1. And the winner of round 2 between Parikshit and Conan is Parikshit again. You win 950 dirhams.
Congratulations.
Awesome. Sorry guys, I didn't introduce you all. Wait, before you leave, I need to know. We didn't ask what's your name, where you from and all that, right? I didn't ask actually.
He knows my name.
We don't know, na?
Alright, okay. Hi guys, my name is Pearl. I'm from Delhi, India. Yeah, 7 years in UAE. Nikita.
Did you have fun? Yes. Awesome. Please go back.
Even though we lost, but it was worth it.
Huge round of applause for these 2 guys. Ladies, sorry. Thank you so much. Last round is a singing round. So whoever you pick needs to know music really well.
So round 3 is filled with copyright music. And I don't want this video to be taken down. So if you want to watch the last part of this video, you'll need to watch it on Myco. All you need to do is click on the link which is in the description of this video, download the app and watch the entire show. And the best part of watching this show on Myco is that you get a chance to win cash prizes while you watch the video. That's right, cash prizes. All you need to do is download it, answer the questions popping up on screen, and you will win cash prizes. So download Myco right now.
And the winner is... Let's go. And it's Parikshit, ladies and gentlemen. We have a hamper for Parikshit, guys.
Oh, I have a hamper.
Yeah, we have prizes for them. I think Conan should give it. Oh my god. Huge round of applause for Parikshit, everyone. The man who gives prizes to Dubai is finally getting a prize, man. Finally. From 15, so many years he's been given the entire Dubai. Now finally. Huge round of applause.
Give it now. Thank you.
Great, yaar. Okay, now is the time for the winners of the entire show. And the results are on your screens. On number 3, Lala, please come up.
Let's wait for Lala. She's a surprise package, you ladies and gentlemen. Come on, let's wait for Lala. I had no idea, Lala, you were in the room as well.
Okay. Apparently, this is not 500 dirhams. This is 750 dirhams. Huge round of applause for you, ma'am. Huge round of applause, come on, guys. Thank you so much.
Nice.
How was the show? Can you tell us your experience?
Fun. This is so fun. I've never experienced anything like this. I love it.
Thank you so much for coming. Huge round of applause for Lola once again, everyone. Thank you. And number 2, Slow Mo.
Wow, 30.
What? Congratulations.
Oh my God.
Pari, if you can give this away.
Well done. Why is it
1,000
slow-mo?
dirhams.
My schoolmate, I'm seeing him after 10 years. I'm seeing him after 10 years. He was my schoolmate, not my batch. He was my senior.
Thank you, man.
Congratulations,
Yeah, he
man.
was here. I had no idea.
Awesome, yeah. Did you enjoy the show?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I'm very happy.
Huge round of applause. The final winner, Uncle Roger, who wins 2,000 dirhams, guys. Wow.
Congratulations, bro. It doesn't matter.
Amazing. Congratulations.
Bro, I really know it's not Uncle Roger your name. What's your name, yeah?
My name is Jeffrey.
So are you happy? How was your experience of the show? Did you enjoy?
I'm hoping to retain the title next time as well.
Oh, wow. He knows that there's episode 2 coming up. Great, yeah. Huge round of applause, guys. Huge round of applause. Want to take a picture?
I think we got that 1,000 dirhams that Conan and I wanted to give.
Yeah.
The most interesting guy in the room, I want to vote for the guy who was singing almost every song. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Come on, boy.
Yalla, brother.
We'll give you cash directly, okay? We didn't prepare the envelope for you. Huge round of applause, bro. I hope you had a great time. With this, we come to the end of the show.
And if you had a good time, make some noise as loudly as you can. Come on.